Charlie.
What?
Can you not?
Can I not what? Hi, gorgeous.
What?
Hi, gorgeous. Hi, gorgeous.
Hi, Charlie. And I should do the Charlie so you can see it all the time.
No. Do it then.
Oh.
Do it.
No.
Steve? Come on.
No.
Come on.
Charlie. Stop. Alright, that's enough.
No.
You know what I mean? Get upset because you're leaving.
I love you. Do you love me?
I have to think about that. What?
Do you love me? Bye-bye.
What? Who are you?
What happened?
Huh?
What happened? Why are you following me if you don't love me?
Because I want you to vote with.
I don't vote.
You do vote.
No, I don't.
Okay, bye, Charlie.